7-day Switzerland itinerary, top attractions and tips. Day 1. Matterhorn Zermatt. Attraction, cable car ride to Matterhorn. Cost, 95 Swiss francs. Transport, 50 Swiss francs. Train to Zermatt. Dining, restaurant Wimperstube, 40 Swiss francs. Total, 185 Swiss francs. Day 2. Jungfraujoch, Interlaken. Attraction, train ticket to Jungfraujoch. Cost, 150 Swiss francs. Transport, 40 Swiss francs, local transport. Dining, restaurant Harter Kulm, 45 Swiss francs. Total, 235 Swiss francs. Day 3. Lake Geneva, Montreux. Attraction, lake cruise. Cost, 15 Swiss francs. Transport, 30 Swiss francs. Train to Montreux. Dining, Café du Grutli, 35 Swiss francs. Total, 80 Swiss francs. Day 4. Château de Chillon, Montreux. Attraction, Château de Chillon entry. Cost, 13 Swiss francs and 50 Rappen. Transport, 20 Swiss francs, local transport. Dining, restaurant Le Museum, 40 Swiss francs. Total, 73 Swiss francs and 50 Rappen. Day 5. Rhine Falls, Schaffhausen. Attraction, Rhine Falls entry. Cost, 5 Swiss francs. Transport, 50 Swiss francs. Train to Schaffhausen. Dining, Restaurant Schloss Laufen, 35 Schweizer Franken. Total, 90 Swiss francs. Day 6. Lucerne and Mount Pilatus. Attraction, cable car ride to Mount Pilatus. Cost, 72 Swiss francs. Transport, 25 Swiss francs, local transport. Dining, Wirtshaus 35 Swiss francs. Total, 132 Swiss francs. Day 7. Zurich Old Town and Lake Zurich. Attraction, free walking tour. Cost, 0 Swiss francs. Transport, 20 Swiss francs, local transport. Dining, Zughoskeller, 40 Swiss francs. Total, 60 Swiss francs. Always check for the latest prices and availability. Thanks for watching.